Okay, we are now at the stage where we have duh plus parapa. After bringing the affix kal by 33126 and going through the steps, we came to duh plus parapa. Now let's take a look at the sutram 8341. Vidudupadasya pratyayasya. The Vritya Sutram says ikaro karo padasya pratyayasya visargasya shasyat kupvoho, which means that when followed by a consonant belonging to the ka vargaha or pa vargaha, which means ka, kha, ga, gha, ng or pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, a visarga is replaced by the murdhanya shakaraha, letter sh, provided visarga belongs to a term which is not an affix, apratyayasya, and has either the letter e or u as its penultimate letter, upadha. Visarga belongs to such a term, then replaced by a shakaraha, provided it is followed by a consonant belonging to the ka vargaha or the pa vargaha. Now the Kashika says nir dur bahir ravish chatur pradus, which means that this sutram 8341 applies only in the case of a visarga which belongs to one of the following terms: dur or dus, nir or nis, bahis, avis, chatur or pradus. So basically these are the only terms in the language which satisfy the conditions required by this sutram, because these are the only terms in the language which have a ikaraha or a ukaraha as a penultimate letter and which can generate a visargaha which does not belong to an affix. So that is why the Kashika lists these terms to make it easy for us. So before applying this sutram, it's good to check if we have one of these terms. Only then we can apply this sutram. Right now we do have dur, so we are fine. We do have a visargaha which is belonging to a term which is not an affix and which has a ukaraha as a penultimate letter. So the conditions for applying 8341 are satisfied. So now what we do, we replace the visargaha by murdhanya shakaraha. We have duh plus parapa. The visarga is also followed by letter of the pa vargaha. Also a condition to apply this sutram is the visarga has to be followed letter of the pa vargaha or the ka vargaha. The anuvritti of kupvoho comes down from 8337. In this example here we have visarga followed by letter pa, which of course belongs to the pa vargaha. So therefore we replace the visargaha by murdhanya shakaraha and get the pratipadikam dushprapa, which as we already mentioned gets the pratipadika sanya by krit tadita samasascha 1 to 46. Now to appreciate the condition apratyasya, Siddhanta Kaumudi gives the counterexample apratyasya iti kim agnihi karoti. Here we do have the ikara as penultimate letter in agnihi, and we do have visarga which is followed by the kakara, which of course belongs to the ka vargaha. So even though all the other conditions are satisfied, we do not replace the visarga by murdhanya shakaraha. So this visarga came from the affix su, which is sup affix, so it belongs to a pratyaha. So therefore the condition apratyasya is not satisfied, hence we cannot replace the visarga by murdhanya shakaraha in the example agnihi karoti.